Hello everyone, this is Team Nebula's channel, and in this video I will show you how you can fix Samsung Galaxy F12 secure folder not working or not showing problem. So before starting video, if you are new on this channel, just don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell icon for my latest videos. So if you are facing Samsung Galaxy F12 secure folder not working or not showing problem, first of all you just need to go to settings and then follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video. Hope so this will fix your issue.